Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with 3 remote software engineering opportunities, and honestly, these are some of the most interesting fresher openings I have recently seen because this company is offering remote work, good salary packages, ESOP benefits, and mentorship from ex-Microsoft and JP Morgan professionals, and even PP opportunity for interns. So if you are into software development, full stack engineering or backend development, then today's video is going to be very useful for you. Today we will talk about 3 openings from Heizen. Before jumping into roles, let's quickly understand the company. Heizen is an AI powered software service startup founded by people from Microsoft, JP Morgan, and IIT backgrounds. They basically combine software engineers with AI powered workflows to build enterprise level software products faster. And because it's a startup environment, candidates here usually get ownership and exposure to real world engineering work. Let's start with the highest paying role first. Heizen is hiring for the role of Software Development Engineer. This role offers around 12 to 18 LPA plus ESOPs and experience required is 0 plus years. This role is remote. Their base location is Hyderabad, but the work mode is remote. In this role, you will work on both backend and front-end systems. You will build APIs, UI components, databases, and cloud-based software systems. The company also mentioned that developers will work closely with clients, product managers, and designers. So this is not type of job where you will only fix tiny bugs all day. You will actually take ownership of features from planning to deployment. For skills, they are looking for technologies like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, Go, SQL, NoSQL, REST APIs, and on cloud they want AWS and GCP. If you have already built projects using these tech stacks and deployed on AWS, then you have a very good chance to get shortlisted. If you enjoy building products like startup and if you want fast growth in tech career, then this role looks really strong. Now if you feel first role is slightly advanced, don't worry because the second role is more beginner friendly. The second role is for associate software engineer. This role is for 0 to 2 year of experienced candidates and the package is around 6 to 8 LPA plus performance bonus and ESOPs. In this role, you will mainly work with senior engineers and learn modern software development workflows. You will help write backend and front-end code, work with APIs and databases, participate in code reviews, and contribute to debugging and feature development. Skills required here are more fresher focused. They are looking for Python, Java, JavaScript, SQL, Git, data structures, and OOPS concepts. And honestly, and building projects recently, this role matches really well. For education, candidates should have a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or related field. One good thing here is mentorship. Since it's an associate role, you will work closely with experienced engineers. That's actually very valuable early in your career. Now let's talk about the internship role, and this one is probably the best opportunity for students. Heizen is also hiring software development engineer interns. The stipend is around 25,000 rupees per month, and they are also offering PPA opportunities based on performance, which means strong interns can get full-time offers later. Students currently pursuing a degree or recently graduated candidates in computer science, engineering, or related fields can apply. Interns here won't do just documentation work, you will actually contribute to real engineering products. The role includes working with front end and back end systems, APIs, cloud infrastructure, mobile application, testing, debugging, and deployment workflows. The tech stack is honestly very modern. Skills mentioned include React, Next.js, React Native, Flutter, Python, Java, Go, AWS, GCP, SQL, and cloud platforms. The reason I like this internship is because the exposure. Many internships only give repetitive support work, but here they are clearly saying interns will collaborate with engineers, designers, product managers, and even clients. That means real world learning. So, quick summary, if you have already built strong projects, go for the first role, and if you are a fresher looking for a software engineering role and you have to start with your career, then the second opportunity is a great option. And if you are still in a college or recently graduated again, then the third opportunity is best for you with a PP opportunity. All three opportunities are remote, which makes them even more interesting, and startup environments like these can genuinely accelerate your learning if you are serious about software development. So apply early, prepare your resume properly, and make sure your GitHub projects are updated before applying. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.